Hi guys, in this episode we are going to test the brush cutter Einhell Agillo with 2 batteries. Einhell Agillo with 2 batteries. It seems the batteries are empty. Can you see? There is only one line, so I was able to use it for half an hour. I will show you. This is the work that I was able to do with one pair of battery charged. Approximately half an hour I was able to cut all this grass. Also here, as you can see, the grass is quite high, and I was able to cut this amount of grass. What do you do when the batteries are empty? So the batteries are empty. I am thirsty. Let me tell you my conclusions. This Einhell brush cutter with 2 batteries, it's powerful. Compared with the one with 1 battery that I reviewed last year, please check the video that I've made last year. This one, it's more powerful and quicker, and obviously the batteries last longer compared with the other one. You can do the job if you have a small yard, but for this land that I have, it's not the optimal tool. You can, if with that one I was able to cut the grass in 4 hours that I have here, with this one with 2 batteries I cut the grass in half of the time, so in 2 hours. I like this tool because it is clean, so you don't smell gasoline. The noise is reduced compared with gasoline brush cutter. Also you can transport it very easily. You only need to untie it from here and you put it in your car trunk.
I hope this was useful for you. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.